waterfall boxes, replacing them with the Aquascape pondless vaults, spillways. This pond's been leaking. Big cause of that. Right in here, so the liner doesn't actually fold up, so it's actually causing water to run over and leak and drain it out. So we're gonna replace this one, that one, and we'll rebuild this waterfall and then do a little clean out in this pondless basin and do some rewalk work, hide it, make it look pretty. Hey guys, we're back at it. We've started, pretty much rebuilt the whole waterfall. It's gonna look completely different on this fall. Add some wood for that natural element. Water's gonna cascade down into a little fall here. Another little drop. And water splitting over this. Coming down the final drop. It's actually gonna start pooling up in this area. Then with the second fall, way back over here, it's got a nice little stream cascading down into a nice little natural waterfall. It'll look pretty nice. We didn't tear out anything of the old box. We kind of left all that intact. We were just losing water from these main waterfalls. They had some Atlantic water garden or something. Water's just spilling over the side. So we used the Aquascape spillway falls, and they're gonna do great for keeping water in there. We'll get it running here in about an hour. Let you see it. Okay, we're gonna turn it on for the first time. Let y'all see this new and improved. Waterfall rehab complete. No leaks. Good for a long time.